In this example, I'm going to show you how to check in a party at Roller Point of Sale. To check in a party, navigate to the search bar in the left-hand navigation, and in the booking search, either search the booking holder name, the party name, or scan the guest ticket. In this example, I'm going to search the party name. This is Tim Smith's 6th birthday party. Once you've navigated to the booking, you will be able to then check tickets in and review any add-ons and inclusions that are a part of this party booking. I'm going to start by navigating to the Tickets tab and begin the waiver assignment process so I can check in all guests for the party. To do this, select the waiver icon. You will then be prompted to see all waivers that have been signed that are connected to this booking. You just need to select the waivers that have been signed and it will automatically check in the ticket, and continue working your way down the list until all waivers are assigned to all tickets. If not all waivers are signed yet, you can either have guests sign the waiver via QR code at your waiver check-in area, or you can send a waiver request to the booking holder or any email address so then they can sign the waiver on their phone. Once you've checked in all guests, then you can navigate to the add-ons and inclusions section and see what items are a part of this party. You can also add notes to these items. In this example, I'm going to add a note to the chocolate cake, letting them know, bring the chocolate cake to the party room at midday. If the party arrives and there are more guests and you would like to allow the party to have more guests, you can edit the party by clicking Edit Party here. I can then increase the number of guests that are included in the party. If there are inclusions that need updating, this will show in the UI, and you can then update the inclusions as well and hit Apply. If that increases the cost of the booking, then you will need to charge the guests the remaining amount when they leave. If you want to add food and beverage items, you can do so by clicking Add Items, navigate to the menu where you have food and beverage, and then in this example, I'm going to add 2 Meat Lovers pizzas. You can either charge the guest now or they can pay later when they're checking out. Within the booking itself, you can also see the booking holder information, what areas within the venue that this party will occupy and at what time, as well as any point of sale notes to be aware of that were entered when the booking was created. Once the party is finished up, if there is still an amount owing on the booking, to finalize the party booking, you will need to charge the remaining amount. To do this, select Charge, choose your payment method. Then, if the party would like to tip the party host, you can do so by clicking Add Tip, choosing the amount they would like to tip the party host, ensuring this is selected as booking host unless you would like to select the general pool, and then click Pay.